Certainly. Demystifying Artificial Neural Networks, A Beginner's Guide is a title that suggests an educational and informative video aimed at individuals who are new to the concept of artificial neural networks. Here's what you can expect to cover in such a video. 1. Introduction to neural networks. Begin by explaining the basic concept of neural networks and how they are inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. Talk about the fundamental building blocks of neural networks, such as neurons, connections, and layers. 2. Understanding artificial neural networks. Dive deeper into the specifics of artificial neural networks. Explain the role of input and output layers, hidden layers, activation functions, and weights. Discuss how neural networks process and transform data through forward propagation. 3. Training neural networks. Discuss the process of training neural networks using a technique called backpropagation. Explain the concepts of loss functions, optimization algorithms, such as gradient descent, and the iterative process of adjusting weights to minimize errors. 4. Popular neural network architectures. Introduce various neural network architectures that are commonly used, such as feed-forward neural networks, convolutional neural networks, CNNs, recurrent neural networks, RNNs, and deep neural networks, DNNs. Explain their characteristics and typical applications. 5. Real-world examples. Provide concrete examples of how artificial neural networks are used in practical applications, such as image recognition, natural language processing, recommendation systems, and autonomous vehicles. Showcase the impact and potential of neural networks in various industries. 6. Challenges and limitations. Discuss some of the challenges and limitations of artificial neural networks, including overfitting, vanishing gradients, and the need for large amounts of labeled training data. Highlight ongoing research and advancements to address these limitations. 7. Resources and next steps. Provide additional resources, such as books, tutorials, and online courses, for viewers who want to further explore artificial neural networks. Encourage viewers to experiment with neural network frameworks and start building their own projects. Throughout the video, use visual aids like diagrams, animations, and code snippets to enhance understanding and make the content more engaging. Break down complex concepts into digestible explanations and provide practical examples to illustrate key points. Remember to tailor the content to the needs of beginners, avoiding overwhelming technical jargon and focusing on clarity and simplicity. By following this structure, you can create an informative and beginner-friendly video on artificial neural networks that helps demystify the topic for your viewers.